Just wanted to show you the 505s that I have. Love the 505s. An old 20-inch crash. A little patinaed, but no damage. A 15, very carnival-y sounding. And then a medium 18. This is actually pretty heavy, but it's got a great sound. And then I got a NOS heavy ride 505, and then actually an NOS 404, which actually sounds great. Unfortunately, the rides, the noise, the ring of the ride kind of doesn't come through this camera very well, but we'll try it anyway. Anyway, here's the 20-inch crash. $15-inch. $18 medium. And then the ride, we'll just try it. Not a ring. 404 actually sounds good. It has that little trashy sound because it is the lowest budget. But still, listen to that. What you gotta do is make the bell thicker to make a deeper sound. It's funny how a lot of rides don't have that great a bell. You just gotta make a thicker bell. Definitely sounds like a heavy ride. This old paiste Ludwig, all beat up. I love this thing. Anyway, there's some 505s. More paiste goodness.